All right, so one of the reasons I'm always suggesting certain tools is because I'm all about efficiency. How can you be as fast as possible? And I'm here, like I'm doing my Google ads, and I'm like, all right, I got to produce a bunch of ads, right? They want 15 different pictures and they want 5 different logos. So I'm like, that's what they suggest. I don't have to do that, but I'd rather optimize and take advantage of all of the real estate that I can, right? So one of the reasons why I suggest the tools that I suggest, getting back to what I was saying, is because I'm about efficiency and producing, right? How can we make or how can we do that thing as fast as possible? And I'm gonna show you this tool here, Canva. Everybody know what this is, but I'm in here a lot. I'm using this a lot because it's highly efficient. Let me bring up the highlighter for you. I'm using this tool a lot because it's so efficient when it comes to creating things, right? So remember, I just talked about like that Google, like this is all of my content that I kind of create. I create content over the years, like it's worth every penny in here. And you can kind of see like I'm improving, but all of my thumbnails in here, right? If I go over to YouTube, if you go over to my YouTube, you're going to see a consistent theme of thumbnails, right? I'm trying to produce. How can you get this done as soon as possible, right? I'm not an artist. I just want to produce. I want to produce. So this is one of the ways that you produce. You use Canva, right? These are all of my thumbnails, and you can see that consistent theme. These are my thumbnails on YouTube. These are my thumbnails in my ads, my advertising. And I appreciate this tool because it's highly efficient. So can I zoom out a little bit? If I zoom out a little bit, right? Say I need to create something, right? Like say this video is about how to be more effective in your content creation, right? All I would do is I would come in my templates and my tools that are already created, right? So this 11 deadly mistakes thumbnail, let's start that over. This 11 deadly mistakes thumbnail, I'm going to duplicate that. And now all I have to do is create a new title. So the new title is, what are we talking about? Canva. How to use Canva to be more productive. So now, and I'm going to scale that up, right? Bring that out. So now I have a tool. Now I have a thumbnail that quick. This only took a few minutes for me to create this thumbnail. And you play with it. You make it. Again, I'm not an artist. You make it what you need to make it. But we're talking about Canva, right? So I'm going to delete that. And I want to make it relevant. I'm going to come over to this tool. I'm going to go over to the elements. And then I'm just going to type in Canva. Because maybe they got a logo in here, right? Canva logo. Let's see. All right, let's do efficiency. This is good enough for now, right? So I just want to get the idea out. So how to use Canva to be more productive, right? So there I have a thumbnail that quickly just by using the templates and the tool that I already have in here. I have a thumbnail, how to use Canva to be more productive. And I could just download this. I just download this easily. Now, if I go back out, I'm going to go back home. And remember I was talking about the Google ad images that I created. So this is me showing off a little bit because they came out really pretty, or prettier than I thought they would. So these were my originals. That's what those originals look like. And I came in here and I created some more, right? Those are the other ones I first created a long time ago, right? And now I just generated these new ones right here. So you can see challenge. This is a challenge. This is a real estate marketing challenge that I'm doing for real estate professionals. So challenge reveals how to make 6 figures. And all I did was come in here, right? That's 1, 2. You can see it's a very consistent theme. I just did what I showed you in the other thumbnail. And I literally created like 20 or 50, let's just say 15 to 20 of these in a matter of minutes by using this tool, right? I'm all about efficiency. I don't care. That's a number one priority for me is efficiency. How quickly can I do this stuff? So now I'm finished. I'm finished all of my Google ad images by duplicating using this process, right? So real quick, just to show you again, I click that duplicate button, right? I'm going to delete this. This whole image was created. Now all I have to do is come in here and duplicate it, right? Come in here and duplicate it. And I can change this text up. Text about something important and relevant to this image, right? That quickly I have a new thumbnail, a new ad. So this is one of the reasons why I suggest the tools that I suggest. I'm about efficiency. How can we get results as soon as possible, right? You see me create 2 beautiful images in a matter of minutes. So um, I just wanted to talk about that productivity hack, that efficiency hack, just so you can see it and you can understand why I suggest the select tools and the select resources that I suggest. It's all about production for me. I want to help you produce, and I'm gonna help you get to the bottom line as soon as possible. If you're a designer or you have other intentions in mind, produce first, right? So get in the groove of production, then go create it later, right? You know what, Jerome? I don't like that the colors. I'm artsy. I want to add something else, but then you go do that. But you get that foundation, and we're about the production and results first, and then we can be as creative as we want. Don't reinvent the wheel. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye.